Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to see sent request on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook first. Now click on three dash icon, which is top right corner. Now you will find here friends, this option. Just click on this, then click on see all. After that you can see here all of the friend requests who send you friend request, but how you can see who sent request or from you. So click on three dot icon, which is top right corner. You can see here, right, this one, and you'll find here view sent requests. Click on this and you'll find all of the requests that you have been sent to that person. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.